from the network to activity chart, just like we did with the first one. What are the starters of this? P and Q. Okay? So as they put a dash for P, I will have to put dash for Q. The first thing I told you to do, put them in alphabetical order. So P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Very good. You know your alphabet.
Thank you.
Alright, R. Who is the predecessor of R? Look at R.
P.
P. Very good. S. S.
P.
T.
Yep.
T. Already they told us it's a Q. U. Have a look at U.
R.
U is coming from R. V.
B. S.
V is coming from S. Anything else?
No.
You notice that has the arrow down, not up. If it was up, you would say T. W. Where's W? W is coming from S and T. So S, T. X. Where's X?
U.
Coming from U, which is right. Y.
W.
Y is coming from W only. Now you tell me what Z. How many predecessors? V, X, Y. Three of them. V, X, Y. And that's how you do that. Very simple. Put the duration as well. So the number that next to each letter has to be stated in this column. Okay? So let's just start with the beginning. So we have A and B, they are the starters. So I should put two dashes there.
So let's put the numbers first.
Number 9. Okay, you can put the numbers all together first. So C has a 5, D 8, E
2.
and F is 3, and G is given to you. Okay, let's continue with the arrows now. C. What's the predecessor of C?
A.
A. Very good. D.
A.
It's already given to you. A. E.
C,
Where's
B.
E?
C.
For E.
D.
Only B.
Only B.
Only B.
Yeah.
Only B.
All right. Let's see later on if you're right. F.
D.
D.
D. D.
G.
C. B.
B. And C. So this dummy line is coming from B towards G. So it's a B and
C.
C. Very
Give me
good.
chocolate.
Thank you.
You gave a wrong answer.
Did you get one?
I'll finish it. I'll finish it.
Give me one.
I give them
a
a
shot.
I give them a two. I eat two.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Here. You're okay?
No, you have my chocolate.
Your hands are clean first. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Again, we're going to put the numbers first, then we'll do the letters. Alright, A, first of all, they are on alphabetical order. A, what's in front of A? Next to A? 2, C, 11, D, 5,
E. 8.
No, are you okay?
8.
F,
6.
6, G,
1. 7.
and 7. Okay? Do the easy part first and you will get a mark for that. Okay? Alright.
Look, but nothing coming in exam center like that.
It might be a multiple choice. I have no idea. We'll wait and see. Alright, question A.
Might be a little bit.
You never know that.
Maybe.
I'm already setting it up. Alright.
Ah.
A is the
Nothing.
beginning.
B is A.
B,
A.
starting from A.
C.
Predecessor of C,
Greatness.
again A.
B.
B is
B.
D,
B.
coming from B. E,
C.
E is from
C.
E is coming this way from
C.
C.
F.
F, they gave us C. Is that right?
No.
Yes.
For F, this is
Yes.
F.
Yes. Yes.
Coming from C.
Yeah, which is true.
Alright, G.
G.
Coming from
What
E
for G?
and D.
D, E, F.
D
And F.
E, F.
and E
and F.
F. Three of them. D,
Sign your name. G.
Very good. Excellent.
Inside the box has this.
Thanks. Okay, let's do this one now. We are trying to do the opposite. We've got the network. We need to put them in a chart. Okay? So draw an activity chart, which is the table, and you've got the network. First of all, it goes from A to H. All right, you know your alphabet?
Noor, tell her. I'll show you.
Alphabet.
Alphabet. A, B, C, D, A.
Maybe you don't need to do it, but I give you that.
It was.
You need to know. You need to put them in order. Okay, all right. Let's have a look how you're gonna do this.
You're
Come
signing the
on.
wrong place.
You tell me. Mahmoud.
Yeah, miss.
And all right. A and B
Dash.
are starting. See? They're starting here. All right. C.
A.
A. Very good. D.
A.
Coming from A. E.
B.
D.
Only B and D.
Yeah. B and D.
F.
C, E.
Very good. Because C has this dummy. All right, that's the dummy one. So it's coming from C to F and the E to F. So I have a C and F. Very good. G.
C,
G, where is it coming from? C. H.
G, H.
No, H is coming from G and F. All right, so that's it. Any problem? Is that clear? C and E.
Look, I'm not Haywan.
And the immediate predecessor, okay? Just all right, starting with A, going all the way to what?
K.
K. Tell me the letters.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
I, Z, Q.
Come on. F, G, H, I,
J,
J, and K. Okay? Don't make it something, take it for granted. Some people might not put them in the right order. All right. Where does this start from?
A.
A, so A doesn't have a predecessor. B,
A.
again. C.
A.
So you notice the A is branching
branch for
into
B.
B, C, and D. So I can put that directly. All right, that saves me time. Then E,
B is B.
B, F,
C, D.
from C and D. That's your dummy. Okay, so from C and D. G,
D.
G coming from D only. Okay, H,
E.
only.
E, F.
Be careful.
G.
Coming from E, alright. Coming towards from F. And the G has another dummy. That's a 1, that's a 2 towards
3.
H. So what do I have? E, F, and
G.
F and G. Alright, let's go to I. I.
From G on.
Only G. You notice that dummy has the arrow going up, so it's not down, so we have only G. Okay? J.
I.
J,
I.
just I. And K, the last one. K.
I.
Just H. K is going through H, and that's it. Is that clear?
Yep.
Any questions?